Hello everybody, Kris Gethin here and welcome to another State of the Union with myself, CEO of KAGED Muscle, Kris Gethin, of course. So there is a lot happening this month of November. As we close out the year, obviously it's been a very successful year for KAGED Muscle in regards to launching groundbreaking products and groundbreaking flavors, as you've seen with some of the videos that we've been putting out there, especially like with planting. The blind testing that we've done with people has just been absolutely phenomenal. 10 out of 10. It's been 10 out of 10. So it's been really, really good. So I really want to thank everybody's loyalty to quality, which is KAGED Muscle. So there's a few things that I want to cover that is happening here. Obviously, we are closing out the year very, very quickly. We'll be launching the first day of our Black Friday special. So we have a week of specials coming up. But what I suggest, you have to sign up to be part of these amazing promotions. And this is going to be the biggest promotional offer that we have ever had. So sign up right now. You can click the link, or up or down. Click the link to sign up so we can send you these special exclusive deals to you. Because these won't be public for everybody. These will be for you, because we want to thank you again for your loyalty to KAGED Muscle. So I'm also going to encourage you all to download the KAGED Muscle app as well to get exclusive flash promotions as well throughout these Uncaged Deals week. So it's a week of Uncaged Deals. We got a new fan favorite flavor, natural flavor, in one of our products coming out. Of course, I'm not giving too much away. We have some crazy deals. We also have some exclusive apparel that we're going to be releasing as well. And to close out the year, to start off 2021 really, really strong, we've also got a transformation challenge that will be coming that you can participate in, and you can choose which challenge that you want to participate in, and obviously we're going to have some great prizes as well. So anyway, I'm going to get straight into the questions that you've been sending in for me, so thank you very much. I apologize if you are put off with the sounds of my chicken in the background, or chickens and the birds and whatever. We've got some people, some construction workers in the house, so here I am outside. It's not so bad. But anyway, first question from Adam Tyron. Have you guys considered a flavored branched chain amino acid, a BCAA product? I'd love to see one from you guys. Stay tuned, because there could be something. I'm not going to give out too much right over the horizon as well, because you're not the only person that have asked for that. I'm another one. There's a lot of others that have asked for it as well. So please stay tuned. And then we got a question here from Jay. Will we be seeing any new Casein flavors? So yeah, we have been considering coming out with a new flavor of Casein in 2021. So we have been testing options for the past, I'd say 6 months now. We've been testing various flavors. So, but please put your suggestions in the comments below, because it's not me that keeps KAGED Muscle alive. It's you that allows us to thrive. So, of course, I want to provide the flavors that you would like. So please let us know in the comments section what you'd like, so we can get a gauge of what you're looking for. Next question is from Ryan Milligan. Why can't Clean Burn be shipped to the UK? And has KAGED Muscle thought of an alternative? So Clean Burn cannot be shipped from KAGEDMuscle.com to the UK because there's an ingredient that isn't compliant with the UK. However, you can order from companies like iHerb.com. If iHerb.com have it in stock, you can order it from there. We've been shipping them. They've been shipping it there for several years now. Same with Ferrodrox or Muscle and Strength. If they have it in stock, they could ship it to you, So that's an option. From Bryce Winter, what was your favorite video trainer that you've recorded? Well, I've got two. One would be the 12-week muscle building trainer that I shot in India, and the other one would be Man of Iron. So that was me preparing for my very first Ironman. Of course, I've done several Ironmans since then. Actually, during that video series, I did a half Ironman, No, I didn't. I did an Olympic distance triathlon. I did a half Ironman, and then I did a full Ironman after only 6 months of training. And it was a challenge. It was something very, very different than I'd done before. So I really enjoyed that. And I enjoyed doing the muscle building trainer in India because it's a completely different surrounding for me. And the majority of people in India kept saying, it is impossible to put on as much muscle as you do because you're from the US. And I was like, that's bullshit. It doesn't matter. I can eat chicken, I can eat rice, I can eat fish, I can have oats here as I can in any other country. I can do it. So that's why I did it, and I enjoyed that. Nico Adia. Do you have any plans for a vegan version of Recaged after the success of Plantain? Okay, well, Plantain can act as recaged, okay? So you could have a plantain post-workout, because remember, it's a pea protein isolate with the technology, the enzymes in it that helps break down that fraction into a smaller fraction for fast absorption. All you'd have to do basically is add creatine to it and add glutamine to it, and that is it. There's your recaged, okay? Ian Fruchet, I think that's the correct pronunciation. Will there be a sport version of in-caged and recaged? Well, we're considering something along the lines of this, so stay tuned. And of course, we need more demand at the moment in order for us to do that, because, yeah, you may want it, 5 people over here may want it, but that's not what's going to keep that product on the shelves. So if we have a demand for it, then yes, we will always do that. Aaron Lee, what made you want to start KAGED Muscle? The reason being because I'd been taking supplements for 15 years, and several years before I launched KAGED Muscle, when I started doing video trainers, I started getting products tested, because I thought, okay, well, now I've got a responsibility. I'm advising people to take supplements. I should get them tested. So I was spending my own money to get these products tested. And I was absolutely alarmed, shocked, and saddened to find out a lot of my favorite supplements and a lot of the best or biggest supplement brands tested very, very poorly. Very, very poorly. So a lot of the product that I was testing definitely wasn't on the label. They weren't meeting label claims. So that's what I thought, you know what, I'm going to start my own brand, because I started mixing together single form ingredients, and who's going to go out and buy raw materials and put their supplements together? Fortunately, I'm in a position that I could do so, but it's not logical for the majority of people. And I wanted to merge the health sector with the sports supplement sector. So that's why I went organic with some of the ingredients. That's why I went patented with the ingredients. That's why I went fermented, naturally colored, naturally flavored, adherent to the Prop 65 Act, informed sport and informed choice approved, certified free of banned substances, third-party testing, all these things, because that's not out there. It wasn't out there. So that's why I decided to do it. And of course, doing it that way, there's no profit, there's no margin. But I make my money elsewhere, and that just feeds my purpose. Should you cycle off creatine, or should you always keep it in your stack? I don't cycle. I use it all the time. So I use it year round. Non-training days, I add it to my big gallon jug, my meathead jug. And on my training days, obviously it's in my pre-caged and in-caged, however, pre-caged and recaged. However, due to my weight, I'm a little bit bigger than the average person. So I add additional to the creatine, to the pre-caged and to the recaged. Can we get a sleep formula? Yes, stay tuned. We are working on a sleep formula. Sleep is so important to me, very, very important. I don't know if you know, but now you know that I suffered from very bad, poor sleep due to mold toxicity. So I was sleeping for many years there, on average about 3 hours a night. Wasn't a good person to be around. So now I've biohacked my health. But sleep is, I know it's just huge for not only recovery and performance, but for longevity. Let me see. What is the best and worst thing about running a supplement company? The best thing about it is that I feel that I'm feeding a purpose and I'm contributing to people's health, appearance, lifestyle goals. And I just love the feedback. I love the feedback. The worst thing I'd say is if there is a change in a formula that people don't like, they assume that you're doing it to cut corners or to make money. And I hate that, because people's assumptions are usually very, very wrong. And I only wish that they could witness not only the amount of hours and work that I put into the company, but the people who support Caged Muscle as well, our employees. The amount of work and effort and resources that we put into the brand is unsurpassed. So when people, come around in like a derogatory manner, I take it very personally. Because I don't feel anybody contributes to the sports supplement sector more than we do. Of course, I'm going to sound biased, but I think it's a fact. So, I take things like that personally, but, is what it is. What is your favorite recipe to use whey protein isolate? I like a cheesecake, but that's a long list. If I want to keep it simple, it's a pancake. So I will have like rolled oats, and I'll have egg whites, and then I'll put protein powder in there as well. I'll whisk that together, put it in a frying pan, and sometimes I'll put nuts in there, Barucha nuts. I'll put nuts in there because I like to have a bit of crunch. And then I'll put that in a frying pan, allow that to turn into a pancake. Then I start putting toppings on there. That could be Greek yogurt. That could be a casein icing topping on the top. It could be sugar-free syrup. Things like that. It could be some almond butter. That's what I really, really like. Where did all the clothes go? They sold out. They sold out really quick. That's why when we put out exclusive pieces, products, clothing, I always say, hurry up and put your order in now because it goes so quick. Thankfully, customer base are very, very loyal. They're so loyal. And whatever we put out there, it's gone. Like when we did like 500 ice shaker cups, within minutes, they're gone. So, but we have more that's on the way. So don't worry. Remember to sign up right now for the newsletter for the link. Click the link for all the promotionals that we have going for the next week, the uncaged promotions for the Black Friday specials, so you can get hold of some more special apparel. So anyway, that's it from me. So thank you very much, guys. Please do keep these questions coming. I want to do whatever I can to feed my purpose and serve you and help you. So any questions, put them below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you very much, guys. Kris Gethin, CEO of Caged Muscle, and I'm out.